3 things to do in Cape Town on your birthday. First up, Table Mountain. We got our tickets, but it was pouring with rain, so we went to Jason's Bakery instead and got some coffee. This part wasn't free. On to our next stop, and of course the rain had cleared up over the mountain. Murphy's Law. The Cape Wheel. Sign up on their website and they'll send you tickets on your birthday, saving 155 Rand each, and the views are spectacular. Next up, the Two Oceans Aquarium, saving 210 Rand each, and valid for the week of your birthday. Just show your ID at the ticket kiosk. It really helps if you're dating someone or have a friend whose birthday is in the same week as yours. We were able to experience everything together without either of us paying for anything. It was a special adventure for us as a couple. Since we had till the end of our birthday month to go up Table Mountain with our tickets, we decided to go up the very next day, bright and early. It was cold, but so calm and peaceful and definitely worth it, saving 380 Rand each. The views were a good reminder of why we love Cape Town so much. 10 out of 10 would recommend this birthday adventure. Let us know if we missed any birthday freebies.
Quit my job and relocated to Cape Town. Welcome to my figuring things out season. How cute. Bread chats lol. Check it. I'm still alive. Playlist on fire. Views. 13 hours later. Hey Cape Town. Gabrielos Turum, Johannesburg.
Wishing the well, don't ask me, I'll never tell. I looked to you as it fell, and now you're in my way. I'll trade my soul for a wish, pennies and dimes.
Trying out new restaurants.
Cause the bitch knew better than to let me hear. Hands on my knees, shaking ass on my thigh shape. Hands on my knees, shaking ass on my thigh shape. Hands on my knees, shaking ass on my thigh shape. Hands on my knees, hands on my knees, hands on my knees, shaking ass on my thigh shape. Hands on my knees, shaking ass on my thigh shape. Hands on my knees, shaking ass on my thigh shape. Hands on my knees, hands on my knees. Hoes say they wish a bitch would, and I'm a genie. Bitch so hot, gotta stay in bikini.
Point. So we had chicken peri-peri gizzards as our starter. So divine, guys, and a little surprise as well. Beneath that spiciness and those gizzards, we found chicken wings. For 66 bucks, that was an awesome starter. And then for mains, we had, yes, the red brioche bun burgers. So divine, guys. Skylar had chicken and I had the beef. And Ashton opted for a Gatsby, and obviously the Gatsby went to private school, as you can see. And actually the boy only finished half. So if you want to check out the potato shed in Waterfall, you better do so.